and we actually made money on one stock and we lost money on the second stock. Excellent, guys. So today we traded ticker symbols MRIN and ticker symbol MEDS, and we actually made money on one stock and we lost money on the second stock. But that is part of day trading, right? Risk management. It's one of the more important aspects of day trading besides mindset, and that's completely inevitable. You cannot ignore it. You will always have losses in the market, but trying to keep your losses smaller than your wins is the goal, so that over time you do find consistency and profitability in the market. So let's go ahead and get my computer, get straight to the point, and talk about how I went about trading both of those tickers. Let's go. All right, guys, so we're in my computer now, and the first stock we traded was MRIN. And before I get into the daily chart, I want to show you the 20-minute chart. I'm sorry, the 20-day, 30-minute chart. And you can see that this thing has been running for approximately a week now. And I think the news catalyst on this stock was they did some type of business with Uber and Lyft, where they're planning on installing in the city of Miami, in Uber cars and Lyft cars, it's some type of digital tablet that is gonna overall improve. I forgot exactly what it does. Overall, it's gonna improve the driver experience, the rider experience, just some technological advancements for the companies. And obviously, when you do business with a company like Uber, so well known, and Lyft, that is a positive. That can act as a positive catalyst for a stock to either run up extremely high or run down, right? Because it can go in any certain direction. But MRIN popped up on my scanner, and it was claiming, right in the pre-market, it was claiming the bottom VWAP all morning, which is a very solid indicator for my style of trading, and that just shows that there's above average volume on the stock. So there's people trading the stock, there's eyes on this stock, and fear and greed move the market. So if you are able to be disciplined and execute intelligently, educationally, you can actually capitalize. And as you can see, this thing took off. This is the 1 minute chart. This thing took off from open at around $11.80 and took off and hit nearly $20 within 30 minutes of market open. So today I was able to capitalize on this move, got my order executed, and this is where I made $289.50 on this stock. And then let's see, as you can see, for the rest of the day, it actually kind of held the VWAP, the bottom VWAP, and then faded down to the SMA. And then after that, just kind of didn't show any more signs of spiking up. So we'll just have to see what this thing does in the future. And let's see, the second stock that we traded was MEDS. MEDS was also running on a news catalyst. It was up about 108%, I think, in the pre-market. There was about 14 million shares being traded in the pre-market, so there was a lot of volume. There's a lot of eyes on it, right? It was claiming in between the VWAP lines, all pre-market. I think the news catalyst that they had was they're going to deploy some new type of telemedicine program to a group of pharmacies and wellness centers, I think in Massachusetts or something like that, which is good business for that company and acts as a positive news catalyst. So I actually lost, let's see, we'll just get straight to it. I lost $104.52 on this stock, and this is something that I'm trying to get better at, trying to keep my losses a little bit smaller than, obviously my losses were smaller than my wins today, but substantially a little bit too big. So I saw it open in between the VWAP lines this morning, and then I thought, as it held support around here, around $8.15, I thought it would hold some support right there as it was trading just under the VWAP and above the SMA, that it would show signs of a spike, right, within 30 minutes of market open. And unfortunately it did not. I was able to get in somewhere around here, and then I actually set my stop loss. It's very important to use stop losses in day trading because things can get very messy if you do not. And that's where day trading gets very emotional, and that's where you end up losing a lot of money and you basically want to quit. and I took a small loss, you know, about $100, $104, and as you can see, this thing actually, you know, kept going down. So if I would have been stubborn, which I have been in the past, every day trader has been stubborn in the past at some point, it could have been a way bigger loss. And as you can see, this thing ended up fading all day. And so that just shows you the two stocks that I traded today. Made $289.50 on MRIN and lost $104 on MEDS for a total gain of $184.98. So that is it, guys. That is my daily recap. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, make sure to subscribe to the video. Make sure to like the video, dislike the video, perhaps. It just gives me some type of assurance, some type of guidance that I am moving forward with these videos. And they also hold me accountable because I know that I need to continue to be disciplined and work on my discipline as a day trader. So yeah, guys, that is basically it for the daily recap. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video and comment down below if you have any questions, any concerns. Let's connect. Also follow me on my new day trading Instagram, where I will be very proactive and very transparent with my style of trading, how I try to better myself as a day trader mentally and emotionally. So that is it, guys. Stay tuned. See you on the next one.